So, we're back para basahan naman po natin ang ating mga Cancer. So, this is personal reading for March 2026. And this is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising, as well as Venus placement. Una, bigyan mo na kita, Cancer, ng iyong cosmic energy. Tignan natin kung ano yung iyong cosmic energy for our Cancer. Okay. So you have abundance. Wow! Abundance comes from inner fulfillment and outer effort. Abundance. Congratulations. Ang ganda ng pasok ng abundance sa'yo. So titignan natin ang iyong energy, opportunities, and ang iyong challenges for March of 2026. This is personal reading lang po. Kunin lang po kung ano ang para sa inyo. At kung hindi naman po ma-resonate, okay lang po kahit wag nyo nang pansinin. So, tignan natin ang ating mga Cancer for March. Alright. Ang ganda ng pasok, no? Abundance agad. For Cancer, please. For Cancer, please. Alright. Wow, you have a 3 of Cups. And you have the Queen of Pentacles, but you have the 7 of Swords. So, si 3 of Cups, Cancers, no? Ito yung parang celebration. Celebration event, no? Parang sa lahat ng mga trabaho mo noon, yung mga paghihirap mo sa trabaho noon, isi-celebrate mo na siya. Parang fulfillment to eh. Fulfillment na event. So, meron kang event na darating sa March, no? Congratulations. And, this is 7 of Swords. So, ibig sabihin yan, para may sneakiness, no? Or, kung ikaw naman ito, maraming mga negative, no? Negative sa iyong mental, no? Sa iyong pag-iisip, sa iyong mind. So, be mind lang na sometimes na pag masyadong marami tayong iniisip, hindi tayo makakapag-concentrate sa mga ginagawa natin o sa mga trabaho natin, no, Cancer? So, clarify natin yun mamaya. And of course, you have a Queen of Pentacles. So, dito is marami na siyang parang fulfillment na siya, completed na siya, meron na siyang mga abundance, meron na siyang mga okay yung kanyang career, okay yung kanyang emosyon, okay yung kanyang buhay, in short. Parang, ito na yung talagang abundance mo eh. Ito na talaga eh. Pero ika-clarify pa rin natin to, Cancer, no? Wow! So, let me clarify the 3 of Cups for our Cancer. Okay, for Cancer, 3 of Cups. One more, please. Okay. Wow! Cancer, you have 10 of Pentacles and you have a 9 of Cups. The 9 of Cups is about intuition, romance, and charm. So, parang March is yung iyong spotlight, no? So, your heart rather than his head. Tama tayo, no? Heart rather than your head, no? Puso. And then, magkakaroon ka ng mga adventure and this is the right time to explore. Mag-explore ka sa iyong mga gustong gawin. So, gamitin mo yung iyong mga pangarap, gamitin mo yung mga passion, no? Ilabas mo sa 3D mo, no? Because this is about action. 9 of Cups is about action mula sa iyong mga ilusyon, mula sa iyong mga dreams, no? Ipapatunayan mo sa iyong totoong buhay. So, you have the 10 of Pentacles. The 10 of Pentacles is about establishment, wealth, and success. Wow. So, ito na yon. Isi-celebrate mo na siya, no, Cancer? Wow, wow, wow. Alright, let me clarify the 7 of Swords for our Cancer. 7 of Swords for our Cancer, please. 7 of Swords for our Cancer. One more. Okay. The Moon. Oo nga. The Moon, yung Moon ang iyong ruling planet, no, Cancer. So, talagang kakaroon ka ng, madalas kang mag-isip at ginagamit mo yung emotion mo. So, meron kang The Moon. Ang ibig sabihin nito is may mga hiding enemies and danger, no? May mga hiding enemies and danger, no? So, ingat ka dito. Say no ka dito. So, maaari din itong represent your fear and illusion. And often comes out when you are projecting fear into your present or your future. So, yung mga kinakatakot mo, yung mga iniisip mo na hindi maganda, mga negative, no? Baka kakaisip mo yan, magkatotoo. So, ingatan mo lang to, no? Alright, so you have the Page of Cups. The Page of Cups is about inspiration, youthful and energy, as well as freedom. Cancer. So, gamitin mo yung intuition mo and yung inner child mo. Don't be afraid to dream big and follow your heart. Additionally, be sure to listen to your intuition. It's trying to tell you something. May sinasabi daw sa'yo yung intuition mo, no? So, pakinggan mo yun mabuti. Huwag yung mga negativity. At isipin mo lang yung mga positive para positive din yung lumabas sa iyong reality. Wow! Wow! Alright. Excited ako kay Queen of Pentacles. So, ano yung mga opportunity ni Queen of Pentacles para sa ating mga Cancer? Grabe, no? Ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda. Abundance agad. Comment nyo, guys. Abundance. I receive my abundance. I claim my abundance. Kayo nang bahala. One more, please. Or binigyan tayo. Ang dami, ang dami. Dami, dami. So, you have financial settlement, no? And you also have financial gain. You have a financial gain in abundance, no? Ingat ka lang sa mga ini-invest mo, no? Cancer, ingat ka sa mga investment mo. Pag-isipan mo mabuti, sundan mo yung intuition mo. You have financial investment, financial stability, no? And also you have financial stability again. Wow! Wow! Pero meron ka dito, no? Meron ka ditong 10 of Swords. So, be mindful lang na may mga, of course, may mga challenges pa rin yan kapag lalo na't kapag magsisimula ka pa lang sa iyong journey, no? Sa iyong new beginning, no? So, this is about awakening sa iyong emotion, sa iyong mental, no? So, pag merong awakening, no? Parang pag may death, mayroong reborn. So, keep in mind lang yun, no? Wow, Cancer! Grabe ba? Queen of Pentacles, claim it, claim it. I claim the abundance. Okay, comment nyo dyan para magkatotoo. No? So, bigyan kita ng iyong angel number for our Cancer. Okay, you have 999. Okay, release. So, i-release mo na yung mga hindi na dapat, no? I-release mo yung mga negative na iniisip mo. I-release mo yung mga negative na plano mo. I-release mo yan lahat kasi hindi yan makakatulong sa pagpasok ng iyong abundance. So, you have release. Ending are new beginnings. An ending symbolizes the closure of wonder and the opening of another. The whispers is reminding you to release and allow. It is in the release where the magic happens. Doors open for me, for you, where others have closed, writing transformation in my mind, my body, and in my soul. Napakaganda. Napakaganda, Cancer. Claim it, no? I-comment nyo dyan sa comment box natin, sabihin nyo, I claim my abundance. Okay, and then ilagay nyo na rin yung 999. Alright, so thank you and enjoy, Cancer. See you in my next video.